Hi friends, welcome back. Let's simplify eye health today. Ever had a serious talk while your eye raves? That's eyelid myokymia. Most people just call it a twitch. It feels like a tiny frog trapped under your skin. You think everyone's staring at your glitching face, right? Actually, it's invisible to 99% of people. No worries. But it makes you feel incredibly suspicious in public. Like winking at your barista when you just wanted coffee. Kevin thinks you're flirting. You weren't. Just a latte, please. Or Morse coding SOS to your manager during an interview. Did you get the job? You definitely made an impression. Your Orbicularis oculi muscle just decided to rebel today. And honestly, that muscle has absolutely zero chill. So why is your face glitching like an old TV? Trigger 1. Stress. Finances, career or car noises. Your eye knows you're worrying and it's watching. Now it's punishing you with a little eyelid drum solo. Trigger 2. Fatigue. You haven't slept properly since 2019. Your body wants bed. You gave it true crime docu-series. Trigger 3. Caffeine. The sweet, sweet nectar of anxiety. One quad shot later, your eye is vibrating at Mark 2. Add screen strain from 8 hours of Excel spreadsheets. Congratulations, you've built the perfect storm for a tremor. The absolute worst time is right as you fall asleep. The room is silent, but your eyelid is doing Macarena. So you do the dumbest thing. You Google it. Suddenly you're introduced to very scary medical terms like benign essential Blepharospasm. Sounds like a Potter curse. Both eyes forcefully squeeze shut and refuse to stop. It's like your eyelids are trying to clap hands. Then there's Hemifacial Spasm, the twitch's overachieving cousin. This nerve irritation hijacks half of your face. An uninvited, one-sided facial party. Eye, cheek and mouth. Skip the internet. See an eye doctor or neurologist. They have real treatments like Botox. Sit down, nerves. So how do you fix standard run-of-the-mill myokymia? Forget red paper or tonic water. Ancient magic won't help. Telling you to just relax is useless. I am not cured. The real cure is boring. Actually take care of yourself. Step 1. Put down the phone. Step away from screens. Step 2. Sleep early. The internet is here tomorrow. Step 3. Swap coffee for water. Hydrate your muscles. Try a warm compress, a tiny sauna for your eye. Stretch. Breathe. Exist with 10% less panic today. Eventually the twitch vanishes exactly like it arrived. Poof, until you binge games and caffeine again next month. Stay hydrated and sleep. Hit that subscribe button to keep your eye care simplified. See you next time, friends.